Oh, hey guys, come on in. My first video ever on my YouTube channel was my dorm room tour at Temple my freshman year, so I had to do the same intro again. But we are here in our new apartment, our first apartment ever. Christian's behind the camera. Baby, stop following me right now.
I want to follow you.
You're so close too. So we are in the front entryway. We have like a nice little gap right here for the hall closet. And it has like the heat of the water something in here, but we have a lot of room for like jackets. Yeah, water heater. Jackets, and then we can put a shoe rack down here, which is a nice feature. This might be part of Christian's closet.
No.
Just kidding. Our closet's pretty like long. So then right when you walk into the foyer, you also come into our bedroom. And I think one of the light bulbs is out because it's really dim in here. So if it's dark, you can like turn the brightness up.
Yeah.
So this is our bedroom. It doesn't have a window, which is like sad, but you should see over there. It's so bright and it's so good. So then if you come over here, we have a very long closet. Like I can't even.
I didn't realize how.
I can't even touch. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So that's the closet.
That's where I'm gonna put you if you piss me off.
So if you keep walking this way, there's just like a huge wall. I think we're gonna do something like here.
You're just really dark because the sun behind you. So.
That's fine. We might do some decorations. We gotta get a long runner. And then if you come over here, this huge door leads to our bathroom and it's ginormous. So I'll turn the lights on. So this is our huge bathroom. We could have a dance party in here. Like that kid.
That better go in.
And then this is our bathroom. Shower moment. It's huge. So that's our bathroom. Really huge. I love how bright it is. And then my favorite part, the kitchen and the family room. So here's our beautiful white kitchen. It's what I've always dreamed of. My brother's calling me, so we're gonna wrap this up really soon. And then over here, right here, we're gonna have an island right here. And then this is gonna be where the couch is gonna be. And then the TV is gonna be right here. We gotta get a TV stand still, and then a coffee table, some rugs. And then if you look over here,
The deck.
we have a huge deck. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our empty apartment tour. We're gonna start the moving vlog right now, but stay tuned for some like decorating vlogs and all that stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!